Having the right equipment to get the job done is a huge advantage. It can mean the difference between cleaning 2,000 to 3,000 feet of sewer pipe per day versus up to 5,000 feet. At Super Products, we've listened to the needs of our customers, and we've engineered productivity and safety right into our Campbell Combination Sewer Cleaning Unit. The ingenious Camel was specially designed to help you perform catch basin and sewer cleaning faster and safer than ever. Plus, it has other cost-saving features that make it even more profitable to run. While the Camel may look similar to other combination units, there's no other unit designed quite like it. The Camel earned its name because of its capacity to recycle water. It can work all day without being refilled. Plus, its unique ejector plate unloading system, SuperPack dewatering system, single-engine design, and CAN bus wiring make using the truck more profitable for you. Now let's take a look at some of the key benefits that make the Camel so innovative. The best way to show you how the system operates is to take a look inside. Let's cut away the water tanks that surround the collector body so you can see how the water circulates in the system and recycles. Water jets out of the high-pressure sewer hose to flush debris back into the manhole. The water and debris is vacuumed up through the intake hose and goes into the collector body, which by the way is made of quarter-inch steel. Inside the collector body is a full-diameter steel ejector plate that separates the body and acts like a strainer. The water flows around the plate to the front of the body while the solids remain behind the plate toward the back of the body. The water forward of the ejector plate flows through the filter screens on a standpipe above the bottom of the debris body, then into the hydraulically driven centrifugal water pump. The water is then pumped through two centrifugal separators that are connected in series. The clean water comes out the top of the second separator and is returned to the water tank at a rate of 70 gallons per minute to be used for cleaning sewers. This completes the closed-loop water cycle. The solids are collected in the bottom of the separator and automatically discharged back into the body. Now let's take a look at how easy it is to run. The recycling system is controlled by a toggle switch at the front control panel. Once the switch is turned on, the system will automatically keep the tank filled using float switches. The first float switch is in the debris body and determines if there's enough water in the forward section of the body to allow recycling. The second switch is located inside the water tank and maintains the proper water level for operation. What does all this mean to you? Better productivity and lower operating costs that add up to increased profits. Water recycling enables you to clean more pipe each day because it eliminates the need to stop cleaning to refill your water tanks. It also reduces or eliminates water purchase costs and costs associated with operating a separate water tank truck. The Camel ejector unloading system is integral to another major productivity boosting feature, the SuperPack dewatering system. In addition to serving as a critical component of the unloading system by pushing material out the back of the collector body, the ejector plate plays a key role by removing excess water. It separates the liquid from the solids. The operator can engage the hydraulic ejector plate with the rear door closed so that it compacts the solid material toward the back of the tank, while the liquids flow around the plate and out the gravity drain. The plate can then be returned to its home position to continue the cleaning process. The compaction cycle can be repeated until a full load of material is on board. What does that mean for your bottom line? Increased productivity and drier payloads. By removing water from the payload, you are able to spend more time cleaning and less time running to the dump. Disposal costs are reduced with fewer loads that are drier. Another advantage of the ejector plate unloading system is that it makes unloading faster and cleaning easier. The Camel ejector plate completely unloads the unit by pushing the material out the back. Because the body doesn't elevate, it eliminates the risk of tipping the unit over when on an uneven or soft, damp site, as well as the risk of hitting overhead wires. Plastic wipers scrape the inside of the collector body as it unloads, assuring that all mud and grease is unloaded. An internal spray bar connected to the high-pressure water pump flushes any debris that may be collected in the forward part of the body out the back of the body, eliminating additional cleanup steps that competitor trucks would require. The Camel has a number of additional features and innovations that make it more economical and convenient to operate. The Camel's single-engine design means it's efficient to run. Fuel consumption is up to 50% less than systems using an auxiliary engine. It has lower operating costs, requires less engine maintenance, and has a shorter wheelbase, making it easier to maneuver on narrow streets. It generates its vacuum power through the use of a positive displacement pump. Super Products was the first in the industry to use this technology in 1976 and has worked to continually innovate and improve its performance since then. Super Products achieved another first with its use of digital CAN bus technology that streamlines wiring and machine control. It eliminates miles of wiring that is traditionally routed under trucks and may be prone to repairs. The CAN bus approach enables control of all machinery functions from a control box mounted at the front of the vehicle. It also features LED displays that allow each circuit to be tested and diagnosed easily should it require repair. Another benefit of the Camel is its rugged yet lightweight polyethylene water tanks with UV stabilizer. They're built to last. In fact, they come with a lifetime warranty against rust and corrosion. The Camel's water tanks surround the collector body and are filled from a single curbside location. The operator can replenish the 1,500-gallon water supply in 10 minutes or less. To meet a variety of needs, the Camel comes in 3 debris body sizes: 6-yard, 10-yard, and 16-yard. In addition, hydro-excavation options that enable you to use your truck to safely uncover buried utilities or other objects that require careful digging are available on the Camel. This offers even more versatility and potential profit for your operation. The Camel Combination Sewer Cleaning Unit from Super Products. It goes a long way toward improving the profitability of your business. It operates faster and more productively, recycling water, requiring fewer tank refills. It works harder, generating drier loads that lead to fewer fuel-burning trips to the dump. It's safer and easier to handle, too, designed with the catch basin and sewer cleaning options that obviously had the operator in mind. The Camel from Super Products. It's simply the most efficient, cost-effective unit out there. See for yourself. To learn more about the Camel from Super Products, visit www.superproductscorp.com or call 1-800-837-9711 to set up a free no-obligation demonstration.